What's going on, y'all? Every penny counts. I just want to give you guys an update on this app, Checkpoints. I want to show you guys payment proof, and it actually pays the same day. You see here I have 81 points. I just cashed out yesterday. Just to show you the date, today is August 16th, 6:47 a.m. So I'm up early. I'm getting to the money. I'm about it. I'm not being lazy, wasting my time. So I'm gonna click on my points here. I'll show you my history. I was just basically this morning I got these walk-in rewards. Two of these stores I didn't even go into, and I got credited because I was so close. Like if you're within like 0.1 of a mile of the store, you'll actually get credited for that. So it's just something to keep in mind. There was another store I just walked in. I was actually looking for something, I didn't find it, but whatever. Anyway, you see here $5 PayPal card. That's what I just redeemed yesterday. So I click on it just to show you the date. You see here it was redeemed 8/15, which was yesterday. And now I'm going to show you my payment proof in PayPal right here. They sent me $5 right here. See at the top, Mr. Checkpoints. So the PayPal was sent to me, and it was sent on the 15th. Now, when I cashed out, it said allow up to 14 business days. Well, not 14 business days. It just said 14 days, I believe. But I didn't have to worry about any of that because I got paid the same day. I just showed you the transaction and the date that I redeemed. So they do pay. They pay very quick. And all you're doing in this app is just scanning barcodes. You know what I'm saying? They have so much that you can do on here. I really just wanted to show you guys the payment proof on this. But, just showing you that they do pay. Very easy app to use. Look, you just scan barcodes. You can actually do surveys on here. You can earn prizes. Look, surveys at the bottom. It's a lot of opportunities on here. I have a couple of videos on this app, so just sign up for it. Like I said, you're just scanning barcodes. You go into a store, you get 25 points for each barcode that you scan. It really depends on where you're at because it'll show you the stores that are closest to you. Like I said, you can take surveys. You can play games, things like that. But just the point to remember is that whenever they have a product, in the store, you go to that store, you just find a barcode, you scan it, 25 points, and you just keep doing that. And you can cash out at a minimum. If you're going to do PayPal, it's $5 PayPal cash. They also have other ones. They have Walmart, they have Target, they have Amazon. You know what I'm saying? Different things you can do. But, I'm a PayPal guy. That's just straight cash for me. So, yeah, this app is simple. Like 100% of the apps that I show you guys are free and easy to use. I go through a tutorial on all of these apps. So this one is basically scanning barcodes. You'll go into a store, scan the barcodes, get credited, keep scanning at all the opportunities they have available. When you're done with that, you can go to another store. You can just keep doing this, rinse and repeat. Eventually you're gonna run out in a day, but then the next day you can do the same thing. So just endless amount of money that you can make with this. I want to just show you guys really the payment proof, and to recommend that you guys really download this app. Click on the link. That way you can download it, take you straight to it, and start making money with it. All right, so it's very easy. It's free. PayPal, Amazon, Target, Walmart, whatever you want to get paid with, they have them all the popular ones. And just add this to your routine because there are so many people that ask me, how much money do I make? What am I doing to make money? But I'm showing you guys all of these videos. You got to watch the videos and put in the effort. You can watch videos all the time, but if you're not willing to put in the effort, you're not going to make any money. And it's hard for me to help people that don't want to help themselves, because eventually, I can show you everything under the sun to do, but if you don't want to put in the work, you're going to be broke. You know what I'm saying? So this is one of the apps that I want you guys to put into your routine. Click on the link in the description and start scanning barcodes. It's like you don't have to buy the product, just scan a barcode. Very simple. Like if you go to the store anyway, just click on this app, see what items they have to scan it, 25 points. And each one you can get, you just let it add up, and once you get 2,500 points, cash out $5 PayPal. Simple. You get paid the same day like I just showed you. So that's it for this video. Like I said, click on the link in the description, sign up for it today, and remember, every penny counts.